God is be nice where God will punish papa, punish mama. Be nice, you are a bastard. Be nice, you are a bastard. Be nice that God will punish you. Be nice that God will punish you. You are a fool. Be nice, you are a fool. I will post her mother picture again and again. This guy not insult cancel the husband. Alpha. This guy not insult cancel the husband. What he make us surprise that day? Alpha. Here I know insult cancel the husband. Here I know insult cancel the husband. Yes or no? Even come my platform for you, come to say, I will insult your husband again and again. If they pay you now, say I post your mama, you never see anything. If they donate money for you, I go tell my fans, say me they see donate money for me. We go they do case. Not be case. We go they do case. No matter what they raise on the platform, maybe they climb up for the platform. That's why they climb up for my own. Oh, Sans, me don't do you batting. Oh, Sans, you have helped me and I have helped you, bro. You were doing donations the other day. I go your platform, go drop 1 million naira. If I don't love you, I will not do that. If I don't love you, bro, I will not do that. Which other of your colleagues don't go donate 1 million naira for your platform? Will be presenter like me. That's what they talk for social media. My matter, you want to raise your platform, bro. My matter. My matter. Now you want to raise your platform. You not go work, bro. With people money, if it's easy, may you go do donation for your platform. If it's easy, now time, may you go do donation for your platform. Oh, Sas, you leave that useless woman for them and they talk to me, Sas. You leave that Yaya Shago Mama Eje for them, may they talk to me, Abi. Every time they no get matter on that platform. If I talk, they'll say that I no get it. They look for problem. Oh, Sas, that's what they do me. I go come they do you now. And they're busy now. From tomorrow, I go bring your matter. I'll say me that they call it. They call the analyzer. Now what time they do you, Sas? May I see whether I go sweet you for Bele? You bring my matter call. You they say, me I hope, me in a house small rat. Me I in a hope day your platform, Sas. Because they call your platform, bro. Me I in a hope day your platform. They explain to who you. Oh, Sas. They explain to who you. Now, I want to join analysis. I want to join analysis. I want to start to analyze your matter too. No verse, no verse. Because if you verse, bro, I'll get problem with you. Because you have done this to me. You get what you said they talk. Now this is what they tell people as they my platform down. I can't apologize. You called me on phone and I apologized. I have apologized to you twice. Even this afternoon, you say, and that's why I cost you for your platform. I still apologize. You bring this rat. We God will punish you, Papa punish. That's what they decided to do. Show me. People where they generally no fit put me for problem. Now I want to learn new thing. I want to learn the hard way. All of you are Enogie not good. Enogie not good. But every day of your life is Enogie. Enogie is the air you people breathe. Enogie is the air you people breathe in and out. Enogie, now they put food on our table. Enogie, now they raise all of on our platform. If you talk about Enogie, you see view. If you not talk about Enogie, you go rest. Wanna power tag, guys. Wanna share. Where are my lovers? Now one leave me put. Where Rose this money gone? How far? Jerry, now your papa the red. If I say all this Monjeto, I can't drop all of them now because when I'm supposed to be block all these people. We go out when I Monjeto now. Why they remove them? They don't have right to come go to people's platform and insult me and come here to insult me. I know the fact they betray person. But if you betray me, I'll come for you. Yeah, how can you prove it? Say now me. Now I send my fans come your DM. They call it bully you. Then it was not enough. They begged, they pushed you to go and donation me. You reach there now, enough you speak it alone. If they do Louis, Louis, you know, your mama go suffer from my hand. For you to carry me go police station, go donation me. If they don't feel send me letter, may I talk to they don't send me letter. Your mama it is said in a letter. I will not say your mama is a bastard. You know, your father is a bastard. Here's your father. You picture that. Era leni wiwa. You know. Era leni wiwa. Era leni wiwa. Yes, I want to learn in a hard way. I want to experience that court case. So amen. So shall it be. May I carry on take do case. But I know say 10 years not be busy for social media. I know of course say to post person picture on a crime. But you can never be smarter than your shadow. All these things why they do so. I know what to say. I know how to defend myself. This is necessary. Of course it's necessary. Here prick. If they beg you, you accept. Now God will punish your papa. When he pay you pass, you go lose them here. You do that thing. You the fly. You know the fly. Your wish. Now those wish where they go judge and go the shop is open. You don't know what it be. You don't even know what you put your heart. Your wish, they learn. Your wish, they learn. Yeah.
Enogie Alpha.
Yeah, who they talk? Talk now, they hear you trying to say me I put up on last speaker. As more picky they talk. Who be this one they talk so? Me boy. Now me they feed me. Now me they feed me. Now me they feed me. Now me they go kill me. Now God go punish the man. Now God go punish the man or go kill you. Why you call it coming with your mama picture now? Why you call it coming with your mama picture now? Why you call it coming with your mama picture now? If they born you well, why you call it coming with your mama picture? Come on video call. Alpha, who they allow with me? Come on video call me or go kill you. Come on video call me, bro. You they mad? Come on video call, go. You crazy? May they kill you. They will play your papa, the man. They go play your father. You are a bastard. You are a bastard. They go play your papa. Now your mama picture one carry come and say so. Your mama picture. Now God go punish your mama. Where your mama? You go to come you say na you be a D-jammer. You be a D-jammer for your backyard. You be like say these people not sabi me. I want craze for now. They won't play me. They won't play me. Oh, I'm not play me now. They craze. I'm going to be many. I'm going to kill me. I'm going to be many. Now, when they feed me, you know how I said they eat. You know how I said they eat. When they talk about men, amen. If you rather rubbish again, you will rather nonsense. Every guy you are blocked. You say, in a man, in a flag green beret. In a flag green beret. I am not fear you now. Say the flag green beret now. Maybe they fear you. You are very stupid. You are very stupid for me to talk, say, with a flag green beret. And that green beret, and I go buy you. A green beret in your boy. You go thank to the enemy of that green beret where it belongs to. You for call me now for video call now. Now tell you say yes, you not gamma. You call me for video call. And it fall out where for Germany now. You see me now. You bracket me now. You bracket me. You mad. Say na ina D-jammer. Wabira. Di-jammer wabi you. You don't go carry your mama picture come out. No, me don't already deal with your mama picture. Come in, pick your call now, Ugbeo. Pick your call now. Pick your call, you dey block yourself. Pick your call.
Enogie, no dey hear me.
They hear you now. What do you talk?
Who shall be green beret?
You dey mad? Ogwogbi you are. Ogwogbi you are. Who dey very war? May you come on video now, Ugbeo. Come on video, not the come on video now. Come on video. I dey on video call with you. You dey mad? They'll beat your papa. They'll beat your papa. You don't go around deleting mama picture. You see their life. You not go fit stand saga. You go dey want to saga. Now your old boyfriend, now God will punish him. They mad. You look me like a person they fear. You look me like a person they fear person. If you kill me today, no see me kill tomorrow. But me no go die. You go go down before me. God punish you. Now you have to me they call me. Okay, yeah, now this one. Now you the thought say you get me. Yeah, now this one the thought say you get me. Yeah, oh, you carry my matter go give police. You go suffer. Hello. I greet you, bros. Now number me want become as I so. Now number me want become as I so. In number. Now number. Great people not they find trouble. Great people don't find trouble.
Great people. This one I get level. Post the number.
Yeah, where you there? I never see they find my trouble before.
Put your number for them, nice screenshot.
Hey, number. Number me arela diana. Well, I already know.
Why did you stop my number?
You dey mad? How dare you call me when I do on live video?
I don't want to talk to you.
Oh, good they kill you. May you come on video now. You know what it? Oh yeah, man. When I write this number down, +234 Wabira. +234 903. What did that time? +234. Advice will be you. Now you the film when they give me advice. If you come and not be again, I'll post your picture. What your papa go disgrace himself? Oh my, be you a soon wagmo bastard. You don't fear. Say na advice, they advise me because I'm immature man. Let me calm. Let me calm down because your man don't feel you. So I thought say I want call your number now. Your man they feel you. It impersonates you be green. I for call your number and I made the green people put you online. May they ask why you take day. Try and call me again now. Call me now. Number is here. The man. Try him again. I mean you call me. Papa, please compose. Now you help me the whole live video. When they say me I compose. What go the live video now you not? Not a man will compose. Hello. Oh yeah, I'm gonna collect number +234. Plus you dey craze ogbon yagbu for green. Don't enter another color. Wa sunwo +234 +234 903 382 6051. Mona yo dey disturb the line. As on the color wa mogun gbe +234 903 382 6051 +234 903. Oh, may I even post the number? Not be lie. That's this number. Go here. One of you for collecting. Wa sungu. Ogun ya gbo e wa gbo. Now go find my trouble. Now go tell me how to react. Now tell me how to react. Now the thumbs up for me. The thumbs up is very low. Now the thumbs up for me, Gege. Now the thumbs up for me. Now the thumbs up for me, Alpha. Clear. Now the thumbs up for me, Alpha, clear. The thumbs up is very low. Yeah, you know us. As so rich. I know never post down. Your family background, I know never post down. Now only your push off the post. May I hear one call from my family, and you will regret your life forever. May I hear one call from my family say they call her. The next thing is straight down. Make I hear one call. You, I go beat you because you be evil. You are a devil. When they tell they say, you are a devil. You are a devil. Nobody they believe me. Nobody believes me. But I found out. She will not say, you are a devil. You carry me go police station, go down. You go suffer. You go suffer. You. No worry. I say.
Hello.
Yeah.
I beg. I dey wash your sass. I dey even dey wash your sass.
Yeah,
if you see the way your sass, they even dey talk. You know even dey insult you. Now the people where you carry clap up. Now
they bring my mother now. Hey, your mother Mary, when you do analyze. I don't know what you do, sass. You die they bring the mother now.
Osas, why they now I never see Osas like that because I even the day why I even clap this thing where I dey insult Gloria for that day. I even say if they talk so make peace, then that Gloria you come back because they put Saga again. I never say Osas don't insult you or Saga, you are never seen her. And whether they bring your topic, I know you know better. I never say insult. Even the live video. What would they even watch? Not start.
Now, so Sars, the Osas, Enogie, I'm a view. For Sars to drop Enogie down, it's not done that way. Even myself at the paro. Osa diploma the fuck or true not somebody not talking. So mommy Angel, I not fit talk again. Later we'll see the fact go they go. My drop down. Enogie, they fire your hand, they drop you down for them and I fuck up. I did there. I even send requests go for their hand too. It's not done that way. Osa diploma see you finish. And he use you take a view.
Who called this platform just now? 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 Boko, what you call do for you? Boko, what you call do? Who the things they dropping for SARS platform? Now me come down. Vasabi. What did they do for you? The day when me say me want give you money, you don't say no they come. What you call do now? What you call do now?
The money I'll still collect now. Money that was not his fight. I'll still collect the money. I'll join you fight. For me, you not the stress yourself. I don't tell you before. Not the stress yourself. Yeah, boss. Not the stress, no gay. Not the stress. I deal with you. The work could deal with you. One love. My drop down. My free you.
Tori, on down, Tori, Emma. That's what I say they play friendship play with me. You want to use me to go color the view. You come back, support me. People can say, wow, who could they support Enogie? Before you know, you change again. They feed those young man. I not give one naira again. 1 cent, you know. 1 naira, I not give you. DJ ma, ogun ya gbera gbe you wa mi wa More they disturb plus 2 3 4 903 3 ogun ogbo come my house na coffee me ogun ogbera. What be you say you want find me?
Enogie.
Yeah.
There no put on for speaker. And get that person where they call you the threaten you your stand. My mind they tell me say na Jerry.
What be Jerry?
That Jerry where they do people money that day. If you can remember.
Okay.
You remember?
I remember.
That guy will be say you saga that they want set it I said last year. Yes, I think that that boy. Because his voice be like now.
Not be like you are right. You resemble him.
Yeah.
Though. If I did do donation now, why left? Why Imiwa? Must a big capture person voice. Since when me do that voice, Sagari, she don't go like 2 years. You see, if you can capture the voice. Why they disturb a DJ man? Why they disturb that number? Why you swear finish your life? Why I'm moving? Why I'm moving? Swear good for her. Swear good for her. You feel like rubbish. Your mama go collect from my hand. You feel like I personally can't do this live stream to tell you know say your mother go collect from her. Anybody will beg in a prick. Anybody will beg you. Now go kill that person. Anybody will beg in a prick. In a prick, do your worst. You go see if you not fit donation me police can't really send me letter say that match they make you go die by motor accident. So it go be for you. You get me carry me go station. I go do you. You say you find me for Europe, you find me for because I can't go Nigeria now. You say you find me as record you say you go find me for us, you find me for here. Yeah, Betty cannot make go us. She be the go us. Yeah, Betty can make go Nigeria now. Betty cannot make go Nigeria now. Now God will punish you. Edi jama anya wabira wabi you are. Ma to ga sun wu. Na me tell you you call me. Now me tell me call me. May you come on video now. Ogwa, may I block this idiot? May I block this fool? You are a useful element. You are a useful element. You are a very useful idiot. I love you all my people. I just say I could do this saga. Short one. Not too long. All Enogie lovers. All concern cancel of matter again. If you let me cancel go explain for Topolo Moki platform. Me know you talk about cancel for this platform again. It's not my business. I'm not interested in that issue anymore. As I don't let the sleepy dog lie, so me not let him lie. If you can't go Usas diploma platform, that is not my business. Who be this idiot when they say Papa days are numbered? You want to body? Ogun Gbera. Shizy. More they see your face now, Shizy.
Enogie, trap me, Abi.
Ogun Ogbera, Eddie. See cupboard where they Percy ass. All the 2001 cupboard. May they see your face now? May they see your face now? May go kill you. May they see your face? May they see your face now? Depression agboa. Depression agboa. May they see your face? Who's going soon? I think maybe block any bar. I manage. Block. Agbo. My boy,